Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This right here is the best light fruit cake you will ever try. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's get into this recipe. I already went ahead and sift my flour. I'll be using all-purpose flour. I have some eggs, granulated sugar, some homemade guava jam, as well as my blended fruit. I have some butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove, some salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, and almond extract. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and combine all of your dry ingredients, mix well, and set aside. Next, we're going to combine the flavors with the eggs just to cut that raw taste and smell. Here you see me adding some lemon zest, and you want to whisk that until it's fully combined. Next, you want to go ahead and cream your butter and sugar until it's light and airy. Occasionally, you can stop, go in and scrape your bowl down just to make sure everything is being well incorporated. Once you're all done, this is how the mixture should be looking. It should become very light in color and the sugar should be almost melted. Next, we'll go ahead and start adding the eggs a little at a time until they're very well combined. Once all the eggs are added, this is how your mixture should be looking. Next, we'll go ahead and start adding our fruit and the guava jam. Mix that well to combine and set aside. So the last ingredient you want to add is your flour a little at a time, and you want to gently fold it in to avoid over mixing the batter. You want to continue with this step until all your flour is added, and then I'll show you what we'll do next. Once you're done, this is how your batter should be looking. It should not be too stiff or too dry, just perfect. Next, we'll go ahead and just place our batter into our baking pan. I'm using a 10-inch baking pan, so all the batter will fit perfectly in here. You want to make sure you level it off nicely, tap it on your countertop to remove any air bubbles, and we'll place this in a 325-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. After an hour, this is how our cake is looking, but we'll go ahead and allow it to cool down completely before digging in. So now let's cut into the cake and see what it looks like on the inside. Guys, when I tell you this cake was amazing, it's the best fruit cake I have ever had. And trust me, I've had quite a few. The flavor of this, the guava came right through. The cake was so soft, moist, melt in your mouth, delicious. I can't wait for y'all to try this recipe. If you're looking for the best fruit cake recipe this Christmas, this here is the one. Look no further. You will not be disappointed. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.